Saki ai kisin jam bak sarkar kan shim ban wan rak biang ya ke jingkelut ya ki surok ya kali ha kanong ba shalong. Kamlong su ko basuk ban wat ikilat kelenti ya ke sarkar. Namar bala baklan nadu badang yo ya la ka jong ka jela bapura. Wat la kamlong su ko basuk nrei hadu mentamne ke sarkar kadang persanghi ya kilat kelenti ban pensuk kendiat ya kali kawan ka jong kipat ba. Kumnu ko sarkar kan le kan ni dongin ekmi ya ka kubor sipor.
Na kejingkeo palat kejingtiet kali ginong song shnong, bat kejingbun ki kali ke buan nabar, syakane kenong bak shlong. Kumjo gitu ke bayal enti banlet ki weipat gejela de ke bayal enti na kenong bak shlong. Kajing deng kali ke lejur hado kata-kata kenong bak shlong. Ha kaba om jukam la alat chu na kejing deng kali. Hagi porlong school men step pada kapor shaw school janmiat. Kajing ia ikipat ba akanong ba shalong kadairu namar ba baro ke be banet bo ikikun shalagi school hakapor kebabiang dagi kali lajong. Hagi ni kipor ken malamat ikajing dang kali kebajur bah hakanong ba shalong. Banwengnya kini kejing jokipat ba akanong ba shalong hakalet kawan. Mentah ke sarkar kadang penkrek ban pentrekam mega pilot project ban pentrekam digi bos nagabentai ki banet bo banet shaw ki kena jongki school ki badan hakatan dan keti bat lat imkra hakanong ba shalong. Hakini ki bos on penbiang ru ikilat jingyada ha baro kiliang nagabentai kejing singan jongki kena. Hendrai hadu katno kipat ba ki badan kun ki bapule haki school ki badan hakatan dan keti batlat imkra. Upisian ulayo bantuat jengmot nagi katto katne.
Tengah I feel ba ke sarkar sim yak senjam ka ba day ban introduce school bus. Tang ba ngin hab ya borok ki parents kin hab collaborate lang namar kamdei yo baduk ne basuk in general namar ba ban easy traffic congestion ni tilada ka niki traffic bus ki ba bu ka sarkar ka pick ngi points ngi let mitang ngi points means ngi lalong safe and sisien bang kila tap bagi ki kali di kilawan misal school ngi long secure kan tingin da pick pat yakin la ya ladap by school kiwan ki drop ki hatu jaka ni sukuman kan definitely the introduction of school bus will be very beneficial for all the students and the public, for the commuters as a whole kan.
Ngata nga so ya sha ba ka idea bikin introduce ki school bus. Namar ngisham ka ban light na ka jingdhen kali ka stang school bus hi. Namar mantali karanglong kumni la sha ka por slab le. Ngatharai dari bomdan ka school bus ngin ya jenjar ma. Ti ka hakaju apor habang ladang ka don ka jing mentoy bangin introduce ka school bus. Nakaliang jongki institution through kidi ban sim khialang kan bakin sha igni ki school bus bandrung hadu hapo ka compound jong ka school ti kindon ki ba penpej ki khna bi rung ki mi ti hadu nglami na school pa te kala ade no kamram jongi kemi khpa ban sim responsibility hadian ka to kan haki jaka baka drop kani ka school bus tengah smo ba kandon ka jing mentoy shi bon lada ki pentrikam ki penya chisai kani ka school bus.
Ya kini kesen jam jong sarkar walagi don ki kemi ki kepa ki bala penpau ya kejing so ya hab bat don ru ki bala ai jingmut ban penjana syu ikani. Habat tuat jingmut nagi kattu kani ki nong penyat school ru kam tam ki school jong ki kena ki badang kamrit kerta kila pediang ya kini karai jong ka sarkar.
I believe it is a wonderful initiative by the government to ease the heavy traffic congestion in and around the city. See, since the studies have proven that 60% of children are dropped by their parents in their private vehicles, it would reduce the number of private vehicles on the road. See, the global warming and climate changes in recent years are alarming us to adapt to an eco-friendly lifestyle, and I believe to some extent it would help us to ensure everybody's right to a safe, healthy and sustainable environment, especially for the future generation. And with the children are most vulnerable. Therefore, security and personal care in its highest measure need to be ensured. See, the planning committee needs to consider all the aspects with regard to the said matter. Most importantly, the executing personnel need to be trained to be effective to fulfill the demands of security, comfort and care. The consent and opinion, the concerns of the parents are mandatory, and we believe that the government is trying to do the needful in order to satisfy the needs of one and all.
Nakada jong ka jingwan jong ki khna school sha ki school ba pair te ka project hi ka bilai la da de na ta baro khai tamba kham tam ha gani ka lower primary school jogi se antis lower primary school ni ki don ki khna rit preschool ta ka mod nursery but kg kham tam ki tu amla ban pha ta ngi ki khna te la da ka don ka system ha ka ba ki kimi ki pa ne ki no sanran ki tu khna ki la bari pas lang banwan baki khlung preschool te ka bhasbu na ka banta ki khna class 1 am ta khna class 2 ru king da don kam hi ki no sanran na ka banta jum khiru te la da ka sarkar ka pailang na ka banta ki ni ki no sanran ro baki ni wan lang baki khna school banwan ra ki school bat na ta ban wat sha pa ki na school kan cendela bahar kata.
Kumba pilih osngo bagi babun ki kimi ki kpa ki menjur ya kene karai jong ke sarkar. Bat kita ajeng mut ruch ke sarkar. Ka jingkeli ke bami pat kalong ba mano ban peniat kini ki bos. Hato an IT ki rusimet ne an ai ki bos man peniat hi de ki skul. Ka neru ka ke jingkeli ke bagi sarkar kan hab man perkhat. Kanang bagan ke senjam kan ya dakisnam om tang sipor.
Lada ngiyong ban adat ya ka safety te bunsin usually lada kadi ka school bus ka badai na ka institution te ngi so shngan bunsa namar ba ka institution hi ka shim ka jing ba khli ya ka safety te lada ka de na ka sarkar te kani kala aldi banlong susu ka kabu ya ka sarkar bakan shim khia susu khamtam e ban ya ka jing penya jang ka school bus bakan kham shim khia ya ka safety telada ki introduce ya school bus ya system kumni kidi ban kham focus so pat halor ka bakin shim ban let's say higher manpower na banta ban bu ya ka safety measures kan te ban bu safety measures dan kam hi ban bu yakini ki manpower haman la ki buses inside the bus but kumju ru ha ki man la baki crossings khamtam ka to ba kongsan Madagi wan on hi wan chau hi ta long ta kan long ni long safe ma long ida siam ni suk hon men siam ni suk men siam talata kila man address kita concern ta long ni kem gi parents ni stunat ma ta list long gi kan khamlat kan ke block po surok aside sementara ni Islam teng bun gi kena ba pli ban jangai Islam man na matang ma block talata kila ban introduce kumne kan kham bun kali kan khamlat na surok ta long kan kham bhasyo kan gi